3.7 trillion SHIB moved to exchanges this week as the SHIB game soars to the top 20 in the App Store. Shiba has done it again, and let's talk about it. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. There's a lot of Shiba being moved to exchanges, but let's get into it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Now, earlier today, nearly 2 trillion Shiba INU coins were sent to the crypto exchange. Meanwhile, the other day, slightly more than 2 trillion Shiba were moved to be sold as well. Now, along with SHIB, the whale alert also detected nearly 1 billion Dogecoin shifted to or by anonymous wallets, and then anonymous transfer of the top meme coins had been activated this week. Now, 3.7 trillion SHIB sold on exchanges. A lot of SHIB going on here. Okay, and a recent tweet published by Whale Alert shows that a total of that million SHIB, which is quite a bit that you see all the numbers there, SHIB moved slightly more than 9 hours ago from an unknown wallet to this exchange. Now, this amount of the, check that out, guys. This amount of the second biggest 𝐘𝐨𝐮 coin is worth $19 million. Okay, over $19 million. Okay, this week, the third transfer of SHIB of more than 1 trillion coins were made to major crypto exchanges. And then October 5th, according to data published by Whale Alert, 2 transfers of that many Shiba were transferred to the Coinbase crypto exchange. You see it right here. You see the Whale Alert, October 7th, 2022. So it's a lot of moving around of SHIB. I wonder if they know something that we don't know. Okay, and this is the game that I was talking about a little bit earlier. Shiba Eternity, which is the Shiba game, makes it to the top 20 on the App Store. On the first day of the official release, which was on October 6th, the much anticipated Shiba INU game called Shiba Eternity received massive amount of downloads, which was like around 10,000 from the App Store. As a result, the SHIB game managed to soar into the top 20 most popular apps. Guys, this was expected. It was expected to be in the top at least 50, in my opinion. They soared to the top 20. Now, the Shiba Eternity was tested in Vietnam in August and then released in Australia, first on iOS, then on Android in September. That was followed by a global release on both platforms in early October. And then after the release of the game, this is what starts to happen. The amount of SHIB holders has surged to an all-time high, a new all-time high, according to the data. 𝐿 Services, shout out to 𝐿 Services. Now, over 2.1 million wallets hold SHIB meme coin, Shiba INU meme coin. That is plus 7,252 holders over the past week and over 100,000 holders in the past month. So good news from SHIB. It's doing it again. A lot of SHIB being moved around to exchanges, and then that SHIB game is a top 20 on App Store. Let's go. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Hey, SHIB doing it again. Let's go. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. You see the video on the bottom left? Check that out. I'll see you on the next one.